Hey friends, April 19th. It's 12 p.m. Yeah, I woke up at 11. I feel kind of guilty about it, but what can I say? I needed some rest, so it's all good. Yeah, I'm gonna go get some food. Let's call it brunch. Yeah, a lot of construction going on here. It's hot, not super hot, but quite hot. This dude I met from USA was up to scooter ride, but I think he already left. Yeah, so I missed out on that, but I got myself. So in the scooter rides here, shit, this is nasty. Condoms? What the hell? Like, come on, India, you could do better than that. So yeah, the problem with the scooter rides here, like, they only rent it for like 12 hours, like not for 24 hours, and you pay like 500. Asked other places, one asked 800. They said like weekends, today's Friday, so like tomorrow it's 700. Yeah, that's not a very bad price, like, compared to Europe, but still, like, if you're traveling for half a year, it definitely adds up. You're not gonna like travel in your home country every day with a scooter. You know, you rent it for like 20 euro for one day, and like that's it usually. But here you need it more often, so the price is not reasonable. Yeah. Yo, the mountains look very nice. Mountains or hills, I don't know, like, it looks very nice. Yo, so I'm going to get a scooter, try to get a scooter. Like, it's pretty late, so, but we'll make this day happen, wouldn't we? So yeah, I'll just get that scooter and drive around. Yo, so just got a bike, instantly life changed. You can see the bridge, the famous one, I don't know, I'm very close to my place. The water looks super clean, but the current very strong. A lot of people here. Yo, the ride through the bridge was super cool. Like, it's kind of beautiful here. Yeah, so I met this random Indian tour guide. So he said there's a lot of trucks around. Yeah, I'll show you them later. But yeah, now I'm going to this Beatles cafe to meet this girl from Lithuania. She ran from Poland to India by bicycle. So I'm gonna say a quick hello. Yo, the view here is awesome. Like, look, you can see the whole river. Hey, so the weather got like super cloudy. It's more cool. So I just met the cyclist from Lithuania. It was a nice talk. Yeah, very cool woman, girl, I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna go find my scooter. I'm gonna go get some dinner and have a dragon fruit for 100. That's a little bit too much, but yeah, Yo, the weather looks crazy. It's like lightning. Yeah, big storm. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Hey, April 20th. I'm heading for food, for breakfast. Yeah, I'm planning to go to this hilltop maybe with scooter. I'll show you the name. You can see all Himalayas. Should be cool. Hey, so I'm taking my bike to this temple. It's like 1 kilometer from Rishikesh. The weather is a little bit cloudy, but this guy told me like you can see the Himalayas, so that's nice. That should be Rishikesh, like Rishikesh city. Yeah, the road is super beautiful and like well maintained. So yeah, maybe I'll film a little bit. So yeah, I need to put my strap on. Probably need to go up somewhere up there. Yeah, so I reached the top. It was like a lot of curves, but yeah, I'm here. So I wonder where's the Himalayas. I don't think it's here. Maybe it's just a range, you know. Yeah, so this is the temple. Couple of steps. Yo, so you can see some mountains from here. Looks kind of cool. Yeah, this is awesome. I saw some people with cars, like, well, most of them were cars with a group. See a lot of buses. So yeah, in these remote places, you really like need to have a license for a scooter or for a bigger bike or for a car, or else, you know, just hire a tour. It's the easiest, but also it's gonna cost you extra. The scooter is like 500 and the fuel is like almost nothing. But yeah, cool place. Glad I came here. Yeah, so this is the temple. Some monkeys. Probably came from this road. Yeah, it's like 30 kilometers something.
Yeah, you want to go inside?
Yeah, possible?
Yeah,
Just to look.
yeah, no problem.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Yo, the chai was very good, but I'm hungry. But sunset, it's like 1.5 hours, so I need to go back, have 1 hour at least to Rishikesh. So this is the temple name, Kanjapuri Mata Ancient Temple. So if you want to visit, just enjoy the ride. What a beauty. What a beauty. Hey, so I'm back home. Yeah, gonna go for dinner and yeah, gonna chill. I don't know. This room is nice, I like it. Yeah, just random cows in the middle of the street. There. Hey, little cow. I don't know why cows not in farms, but this place looks cool, but it's expensive. But this is so random, like if you're drunk or something, well, you won't die, but definitely end up in the hospital. Or even worse, if you fall with scooter here, oh my god. Hey, so I'm back in my room, ending this day, ending April 20th. Yeah, I'm gonna just chill. I don't have big plans for tomorrow, so I saw Rishikesh a little bit. I met the cyclist girl who came from Poland, almost from Lithuania. I'll see. My checkout is 24th. So I need to still decide or to keep my plan going, go to Nepal, or just go back to Thailand, do some Muay Thai, just chill, go to Cambodia, go to Philippines. Well, I still have time. We'll see. Um, what could I say? Like also, but the people here, some of them act like kind of interesting. I'm not saying they act bad, but they act kind of nice. They're like opening the door. They're like smiling at you. Even the foreigners are like smiling and stuff. I think it's from the yoga and meditation. They're like look kind of high sometimes. But yeah, nice place. A lot of food, more Western food. Like also, like the quality of the food is better. I don't know, like cafes. Yeah, but if you really want to do something, I think you really need some kind of transport because, like around my area, there's not like a lot of things that I saw you can walk to. I took a walk and it was like I didn't enjoy it. So yeah, but basically how I understand people come here for yoga usually, and yeah, like rafting, just like vacation. You can go somewhere else, like trekking. There's like some cool treks. Like yesterday, this guy told me. So it's called Chandrashila and Rudranath. So Rudranath is open from May. Yeah. And the guy told me it was like super nice. Like he told me like it's one of his favorite trek. It's like 100 kilometers from here. You need like 3 nights or something. So yeah, that's about it. End of April 20th, and see you tomorrow.